Here we are on a help workspace. This one happens to be for chapter 2. If you have looked at the chapter 1 and appendix A ones from 2024, you may have noticed that this evolved a little bit. So now all classes have just one space. And this is just a general, like, how do I use this? How can that be helpful to me? So often you are working on something and you've got a question and a teacher is not able to help you. So this is one of the resources where you could turn for help. You could open this up and say you need help by putting a sticky note here saying, hey, I'm looking for help. Okay. And someone could come in here and be like, oh, I'm looking for someone to help, or I've got some extra time. What can I do here? And they can look and see, oh, this person needs help during Wednesday afternoon or any work time that you get, and look at who you could help. You could also come in here and say, on the other end, like, oh, I know how to do this, and please ask me for help. So you can put your sticky note here. So if someone's looking for help, they have a list of names that they could send a Schoology message to or connect outside of school or during class. Say, hey, can we work together on this later? All right, so that's the general idea. How do you get to this? What do all these colors mean? So, a couple different ways to get to this. The current chapter's help space should always be linked in the banner here. So you just go to Schoology and click on that banner. It should also always be linked on the weekly agenda where it says Lucid Workspace. So a couple different ways to get there. I would highly recommend bookmarking it. So more generally here, what do these colors mean? What are all of these different boxes? There is a section for each week. You can treat this like a checklist. So here we see week 9, this week. The first slide that you should be working on is chapter 2, review and preview slide 3. And you can see that it is green. That background is green, which means that it is a graded review and preview slide. If you're looking for work after slide 3, some more practice, you could go to slide 4. That's the next in the order. Notice it's blue in the background, which means it's a practice slide, but is not going in the grade book. And we have one more color here, this lavender. Scrolling down here in order, learning logs are lavender. Remember, all learning logs are graded. So you can go in order here and have those colors just remind you. Maybe you're going in looking for review and preview graded slides, you're looking for the green. Maybe you're going in and looking for learning log, you're looking for this lavender. And again, you can go in order and it's separated by weeks. So you can just go to the current week. You can go to week 9 using the table of contents. You can notice I'm still working on this, but here we have week 9. You can just jump straight to that. So lots of different ways to do this. You could watch and rewatch this video. You could do little chunks. You could ask questions. But here is a pretty powerful organization tool where we can help each other out.